Sellers, are you constantly asking yourself the following question in today's housing market? What if I sell now with these higher mortgage rates? Or what if I sell now but then can't find a replacement house? Will I regret selling so soon or regret not selling soon enough? In a housing market full of twists and turns, these are valid and concerning questions. Hi, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty. I think we can all agree that 2023 was a turbulent year for real estate with higher mortgage rates and scarce inventory, making sellers uncertain about listing their property. But did you know that now can be a perfect time to list your home? If you're a homeowner with a good amount of equity in your home, but also carrying debt, now might be the perfect time to sell. Most homeowners have enough equity in their property to pay off high debts like credit cards and car payments and consolidate their bills. So when you go to make the purchase on your replacement property, you may find yourself in a better position than you were with that 3% mortgage rate and high debts. Plus, you can take advantage of the current market with your sale and your purchase because there is less competition, meaning you can still get a fair price for your home and probably even a better price for your replacement property. Don't let being married to your rate prevent you from getting that ultimate dream home. Reach out to me if you're thinking of selling, and I can put together a comprehensive listing marketing plan for you to get the best possible return on your investment. Give me a call today. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty. It's your journey. We're here to help.